This was a lovely experience and more than I expected. All the staff I encountered were friendly and spoke English well. The virtual reality tour prior to the city walk and history lesson were awesome. The ride itself was fantastic. I totally recommend this to anyone. It was organized and it was fun. Our guide is very nice and give us a history of Venice. Venice Tour Company I will recommend to other friends and families. Pretty views and we saw so much of the city from a different point of view. Highly recommend. The presentation in the beginning was also very informative. Ricardo was an excellent guide, very friendly and always smiling, and speaks excellent French. His explanations were clear and informative. The gondola ride was a wonderful and enjoyable experience. Brilliant experience, well organized. We had a guided tour, who was very helpful and knowledgeable. The gondola ride was for 5 of us and we was all together on the gondola. It was relaxing. Highly recommend it. Great tour. Took a little time getting to location. You'll have to take train and then water bus, but it was well worth it. The experience was very good. We had a short guided walk to our gondola departure point that gave us some history of the Venetian waterfront. Our ride was very peaceful and when we returned, we went to the 360 degrees virtual gondola experience that took us through the history of the gondola in Venice. Lovely guided tour of the history of gondola in Venice followed by a serene journey through quiet canals. We had our cruise at night. Seeing the city and churches lit up at night was beautiful. Our guide did a great job pointing out landmarks and explaining the history of gondolas. Beautiful experience. Gotta do gondola in Venice. Loved it. Leave early to make your way there as the streets of Venice can be tricky. Our guide lives in Venice all his life and was very knowledgeable and enthusiastic about the Venetian history and culture. Rain or shine, it was such a fun experience. Our guide had interesting facts about Venice and the history of the gondolas, and the ride itself is well worth the trip. Unforgettable. Bucket list checked off. Our guide and Fonda Light were great. Sadly, I don't remember their names. Guide was gracious to take a Spanish-speaking and English-speaking group. He was very kind. Gondolier was so nice. He owns his own gondola and his father and brother are gondoliera as well. It was a wonderful experience. I decided to come to Venice solo because it was always a dream of mine to come, and this short ride was great for the price.